Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and we're here at the shop. We've got a big tackle or big box of tackle that we got to unbox. But you can't say that 3 times fast. Either way, so on that note, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little rundown on our drawings. We've got 4 drawings for $20 a ticket. You can get through us through Cash App, $ Team Hard Life. Make sure to include your cell phone number and which drawing you want to get into. If you don't remember the drawing, just remember what size of reel you're trying to get into or the rod, and you can put that as well. All right, so for drawing number 25, we have the LX Raptor. We've sold 13 tickets, we got 37 left. Drawing number 26 for the Team Hard Life rod, we have sold 7, we have 20 left. For drawing number 27 for the MXL Raptor, we've sold 9, we got 31 left. And number 28 for the SX Raptor, we sold 3, we have 32 left. All the reels will come with the designated amount of line that we have set up for the spooling. Now you can upgrade and just pay the difference. Normally it can be 20 bucks, it can be 40 bucks, 50 bucks, just depending on which way you want to go and which line capacity you're trying to get. So right there, just a heads up on that, we got those going on. And also too, when one sells out, we go live to the channel and then we start a new one. So say LX sells out at drawing number 25. We'll start it over at drawing number 29 for the LX and continue it on. That shows you how many we've already done, guys. We're kind of keeping track that way, and we're gonna keep rocking it. Now to the tackle unboxing. Oh yes. Ooh. That was close. Holding onto the blade where I shouldn't have been holding it. I felt it, but luckily it wasn't sharp like it should have been. Yeah.
Gotta bite, gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
I keep delaying. I need to send it off so we can get some TLC. All right, so we've got some extra large roll covers. I know we've been waiting for those for a minute, so we got a bunch of those in here. And looks like we got a bunch of reels. 2. Get them with all these peanuts. Yes, and I am intentionally putting the side that you cannot see what they are for a reason. Other than they're in MXL, yes, you got them. All right, now we also got some rod sleeves. Some, yeah, we got a few. We got those in house now, or again, should I say? Had them before, just they sell out on us. So. Go. More reel covers. Beautiful. That. And yes, sir. We got ourselves an 80. That ain't good. Got a rip here at the bottom. Like that. I don't like seeing when reels start coming through the box. Just never know what you can expect. So the reel foot went through. I don't see any damage. So it looks like it was just dropped and it just implanted itself on the bottom there. So I think we're all right. I've never seen that. You got a hole through the handle now. I'm gonna have to call and ask him what that is for. I've never seen that. The real parts are there. longest I've ever taken a total box. Alright, what we've got here. Ooh, that's nice. So we've got a purple MXL Raptor. And you know what? I still haven't heard back about the blend deal. You can see the off color right there between that little cap and that handle right there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of them on that. I totally forgot about that. So, and it was on one of those purple MXLs. Got a red MXL Raptor here. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Got another red. Yes, sir. These color of the rails look magnificent. I don't know about you. Whoa. Yeah, that's not cool. Yeah, that one's going back. I don't think that. Yeah, I don't like that. That one's going back. Look at that. It's already stuck. Wow. Okay. And that piece looks lighter than that one right there. So, yeah, I have to take a few pictures, send it back. Not cool. All right, so that's where we're at for our tackle unboxing, and I will have to get back to you all on that information. So, I'm good. Phone calls done. Well, actually, I gotta wait a few hours because they're 2 hours behind us, and it's early in the morning here at the shop. So we'll find out, but we've got a lot of things coming. As you can tell with the channel, we are about to hit our 20,000 subscriber mark. If you're new to the channel, guys, you see a lot of people on the channel commenting, talking about the 20,000 subscriber mark or a second million view video. It's all because those are the comments that I'm going to be going off of and looking for when we start doing our comment selection for our subscribers to win these prizes. We got 4 MXL Raptors, 4 Team Hard Life rods, and 4 spools of braid, and enough to fill up the MXL Raptors. So right now we've gotten it to where you can win 2 times within that setup right there. You can also enter as many times as you want, because that's what it's going to take, guys. It's going to take quite a bit of comments. If y'all are new to the channel, have never seen how we do it, I would go back, do a little bit of homework, and see how we go through and select our comments. We started doing it this way because originally when I started doing giveaways on the channel, we had winners that never returned to the channel. So months and months later, I finally had to give those prizes away to somebody else. The reason being because our sponsors give us that gear for y'all. So, I mean, you know, yeah, it'd be cool for me to keep it, but that's not the point. The point is, y'all won them, so I'm getting them to y'all as quickly as possible. So this is kind of y'all's payment for being so proactive with the channel And just remember that the more proactive you are with the channel, the better chances you are to win. So those comments and thanking our sponsors is a big thing. Big Fish Consulting, Gator Lures, Tackle Industries, Vexen Rods, Cortland Braid, and we even are taking on Tightline Braid as well, because these companies give us the product that we need to be able to do the testing, go out and do the videos, so that way y'all can see firsthand of what's going on. So, and don't forget, Hard Lives Bait and Tackle is our biggest one. Yes, it is my shop, but it's separated from the YouTube channel, you know. But at the same time, this is our advertising corridor, however you want to put it. By us creating the gear and testing it, it ensures that whatever we sell here is at its peak. So for us and the team, you know what I mean, we also stand by good fishing tactics, good fishermen, and people that are willing to work together, because that's what it comes down to, guys. Sometimes you're out there by yourself, you don't know anybody, but somebody's willing to lend a hand up, guys. Or you're willing to lend a hand over, you know what I mean? So this is what we stand for. And you know, we have so much growth to go on, and you see I'm fishing with other teams because they all have the same idea that everybody can fish together, guys. You shouldn't have to be blocked out or alienated just because you like to fish, you know what I mean? So now on that too, I'm still trying to keep these spots in a fashion where they stay protected for those guys that take me into their little honey holes. Now, if it's a public area like Caldwell Pier or Causeway Pier, you know, there's no protecting that. That is its own place that everybody knows about. But when I'm taking to somebody's, hey man, now you're going to my spot, gotcha, boss. You know what I mean? So, like I said, that's the way it's gonna work, just because I've seen too many of our personal spots just utterly destroyed, guys. And it really hurts my heart to say that I'm not going to be showing these spots, and that's for that reason, guys. Too many people messed it up for the rest of us, and it messed it up for me too, because then it blocks my ability to go back. We've actually seen certain fishing spots just get obliterated. Like, you go back over there where we used to get 20-30 runs a night, we'll be lucky if we get one, and it's because so many people went to that spot. And it's a small area. It's a small little creek or whatever, and it got fished out. You know what I mean? It instead of returning a lot of these big fish back to the water, they were keeping all of them. Well, they kind of destroyed that ecosystem there for a while, so it's going to take a long time for them to progress back into there. You know, especially when they're far off into these back areas that not a lot of people know about, but then they get, you know, it's a major highway now. So, on that note, guys, we've got a huge amount of growth to go with our 20,000 subscriber mark. And as you can tell, one of our video shorts is about to hit 2 million views. It's about 40,000 short or 35,000 short, something like that. Getting 2 million views. Wow. So we hit our first million, and then our second video passed that one up, and it's already going to hit 2 million views. That is awesome. So again, guys, it is a family-orientated channel. Constructive criticism is always welcome, but at the same time, you don't use it to bash. You know what I mean? Don't sit there and try and compare us to anybody else, because we're not everybody else. We're doing our own thing here, and we are using what we can. And there's a lot of knowledge out there in these videos, and or a lot of ability for you just to get away from your natural scene, or you haven't been able to because of work or what have you. And it's nice just to put on and be able to see the salt water, the pier, the night sounds, or even the night, you know, the mosquitoes flying in the air. So again, guys, we have a lot of growth, and I'm super excited of where we're going. But here's the deal too. If we can hit 20,000 subs before the end of this month, we only got a couple more weeks, we're throwing in 4 more places for a shark fishing trip with us and Team Locos. It's gonna be a 24-hour trip, and it may go longer. We you know, once we hit the beach, we really don't want to leave, so you know, it could be a lot longer trip than we initially think. You know, just because the big catches are catching, big sharks, they're catching 9-footers, they're catching 8-footers. I know they've got a 10-footer already. The sharks are there, guys. So the faster we can get on it, the faster we can get to the beach, the faster we can get all these early Christmas prizes out. I was hoping to have it done by December, but it looks like we can have it done in the next week or two. So again, guys, if you're new to the channel, share the link of our channel to all the social medias and let everybody know what we're about, please, because we definitely don't want trolls coming on the channel. You know, there's just some guys you cannot make happy no matter what you do. They just want to rain on everybody's parade. Well, those guys, they can definitely swipe left or swipe right, whatever you want to call it. We want people who are willing to share knowledge and or, you know, help us grow, because we're going to help y'all grow. So, I got to get to spooling because this one's shipping out with a bunch more reels, and I look forward to it. Yes. Stay tuned.